Good morning, student. Today we are discuss about the topic number 5th, that is the phylum Porifera. The phylum Porifera, words made up of two Latin words. First one is the porous and second one is the force. It becomes Porifera. Porous means pores and force means bearing. Means phylum Porifera includes pore-bearing animals called sponges. Body of the animal is composed of many cells but without definite tissue. This is the characteristics of the phylum Porifera. The sponges are multicellular animals with cellular grade of organization. Thus, they mark the beginning of the cellular of animals. First of all, we will see the introduction of the phylum Porifera. Already tell the phylum Porifera. Pori means porous and fora means bearing. Means those animals having small pores that are included under the phylum Porifera. The habitat of these animals, all the sponges are aquatic. They are either solitary or colonial. In the adult stage, they are stationary except one family, Spongilidae. Most primitive of all animals, among the approximately 15,000 sponges species are mostly marine. A few exist in brackish water and some 150 species live in fresh water. These are sessile animals. These are some gross habitats and forms of the sponges. The size of the sponges ranges from 1 to 2 mm to 2 meters in height or in diameter. The shape of the sponges are maybe elongated, cylindrical, vase-like, or other shapes. They exhibit radial symmetry or symmetrical with branching fan-like or cup-like shape or asymmetrical. The body color of the sponges are with a variety of color patterns. For example, it may be gray, yellow, bright red, orange, dull brown, delicate shades, or violet or pink. Some are black or white. Due to presence of symbiotic algae, some are green in color. The body wall, the sponges are diploblastic. They are possesses two layers of cells enclosing a middle layer of mesenchyme containing numerous free amoeboid cells of several kinds of. The other outer epithelium consists of two types of cells, pinocytes and proocytes. The pinocytes are large, flattened and polygonal cells. They form a protective outer covering of the sponge. These animals are multicellular body with pores, ostia called ostia, where water canals and chambers that form a unique system of water currents on which sponges depend for food and oxygen. It may be radial symmetry or none. No organs or true tissue found in these animals. Digestion is intracellular like excretion and respiration by the diffusion method. Has chanocytes, flagellated collar cells which help pump water in and out of the sponge. Nervous system probably absent in these animals. A sexual reproduction by the birds are gemmules. Sexual reproduction by eggs and sperms. Free swimming flagellated larvae in most. The canal system, the entire body bears pores. The smaller ones are numerous and are called ostia, singular are called ostium, and form the site for the entry of water current. The larger openings are known as the oscula, and single it is called the osculum, and are for the exit of water current for elimination of feces. The body wall encloses a large cavity, the spongiocele, and the most cases small in current. Radial and excurrent canal special cells. The chanocytes are collar cells, each with flagellum surrounded at the base by a cytoplasm or collar line. The spongiocele or the radial canals. Skeleton. Almost all sponges possesses an internal skeleton secreted by amoebocytes and consisting of microscopic crystalline bodies. The spicules of calcium carbonate or silicic acid or spongin or of both. Nutrition. The digestive cavity is lacking. Nutrition is holozoic. Digestion is intracellular. No organelle for respiration or excretion, as it occurs by simple diffusion. Contractile vacuoles occurs in amoebocytes and chanocytes of freshwater sponges. Nervous system. They are without nervous system and sense organs. In some, a primitive nervous system of bipolar or multipolar nerve cells forming a nerve net has been reported. Reproduction. Sponges reproduce by sexual as well as the asexual method. A sexual reproduction takes place by budding or by the formation of gemmules, and sexual reproduction by the formation of the ova and spermatozoon. Life cycle may include a free swimming larva called flagellate, amphiblastula larva, or coeloblastula larva. Thank you.